Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series where I'm solving all of LeetCode's problems. Next problem is the nim game. And what is the nim game? I have no idea. You are playing the following nim game with your friend. Initially there is a heap of stones on the table. You and your friend will alternately taking turns. You and your friend will alternate taking turns, and you go first. On each turn, the person whose turn it is will remove 1 to 3 stones from the heap. The one who removes the last stone is the winner. Given n, the number of stones in the heap, return true if you can win the game assuming both you and your friend play optimally, otherwise assume false. Okay, so yes, I think there was a fear factor episode about this. I heard about this. So fear factor mind challenge. It's not, maybe it was not fear factor, I don't know. Algorithm challenge. TV show, TV game show, algorithm challenge. I know that they had one, and it was in a water thing, which was pretty interesting. There was something like that. I won't be able to find it. So n is false. So n equals false because I remove 1 stone, my friend removes 3 stones, include the last stone, your friend wins. You remove 2 stones, your friend removes 2 stones, your friend wins. You remove 3 stones, you remove the last stone, your friend wins. In all outcomes, your friend wins. Okay, false, he wins, true, I win. So 1, I take 1, or 2. 2, I take 2. If it's 3, I take 3. If it's 4, 5, 6. If it's 7, let me think. Let me draw this, because it's not so obvious. So 1, 2, 3, I win. 4, 5, 6, he wins. Well, why does he win? Because if I take 1 from 4, or 2, if I take 1 or 2 or 3 from 4, the result is 1, 2, or 3. 5. If he has 5 and he plays optimally, no, I can win. If he plays optimally. So 5 I can win actually. So let me just move this a bit to the left. So 4 he can win. 5 I can win because if he takes 1, no, if I take 1, then he takes 4. Okay, I win. 6. What happens with 6? If I take 2, then it goes to 4. Then he can only take. Then he can take. Doesn't matter what he takes, it falls under these ones. So I will play optimally, and he can't do anything. What about 7? I'm just trying to find a pattern. 7, I can take 3, and it goes to 4. And I win, because they're 1, 2, 3, yeah. about 8? Yeah, I needed to land on 4, but I can't. He will win. 8. Okay, I think I get it. If there's a gap of 3 of them, I win if the number is in the gap, but if the number is one of these, I lose. So if it's a multiple of 4, so I lose. So in this case, can win if you turn and rest of the division by 4. Sorry, that's not the rest of the division. Rest of the division by 4. It was simple as this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it.